Hey Pookies, so today ITS obviously Monday. So remember that boy that literally brup in my face? Well, today and beat his A. Just made it to school. Where he at? Oh, I see him. Mark, why did you burp in my face and didn't say excuse me, and all you said was why? All you had to do was say excuse me. So now you are gonna pay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I just didn't feel like doing it.
Too late to apologize.
Wait, no.
That's what you get when you brup in Kennedy Autumn's face. Now, if you do it again, you will never see light again. Now, bye. On to class I go.
My lord, you're late again. If you're late again, I'm calling your mom and I ain't playing.
Girl, calm your big, fat Peppa big self down. And who do you think you're yelling at? Because I know for a fact you ain't yelling at me. Now shut up and let me do moo dance. I am hitting.
Girl, sit down.
No, do you want to fight?
No.
Oh, okay. That's what I thought. Y'all, why was I low-key eating her up? Okay, now, time to eat. I swear, if Mark burps again, it will be his last day on Earth. Boy, what the filp you burp now fart. And you fart again. Nah, where did Mark go? I ain't letting that slide. Yikay what? I'ma just go home. Okay, Pookies. CC ya TMR. Make sure to like and subscribe now.